everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Shopee account. Deleting your Shopee account is a permanent action, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. First of all, open up a web browser and then type in shopee.com in the URL box and search. After you end up in the home page of Shopee, go ahead and log into your account. Now go to the top right corner and then mouse over to your name or your profile picture and click on My Account. After you open up My Accounts tab, go to the left hand side menu and click on Privacy Settings. There you will see a Request Account Deletion button. Click the Delete button and click on Proceed. But before clicking on Proceed, make sure to go through the information. As I mentioned earlier, your account deletion is irreversible and it is permanent. After your deletion is done, you will not be able to log into the deleted account and view account history. Any Shopee coins in your account will be forfeited, and your account cannot be deleted if you have any pending purchases, sales, or outstanding matters, including legal matters. If you're sure you'd like to delete the account, click on Proceed. Click on Proceed once again to confirm. Select any reason why you are trying to get rid of the platform. Also make sure to provide some more details if you need, and enter your email address in the email text box. After typing down all of the information, click on this I agree box and click on Submit, and your Shopee account will be deleted once the request is approved. So that's how you easily delete your Shopee account. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Shopee contents. I'll be back with the next video again. Thank you for watching.